I like the sea theme, you know. I think that this is a little thick here.
Right, they could have done that a little thinner, but it all ties into maybe a little more uniform on the ball.
Yes, yeah, and maybe a little more petite. Huh?
Yep.
But, you know, otherwise it's very nice, the whole piece.
Today is the New Jersey SkillsUSA Championships, our 48th annual event, to determine the best students in all the career and technical education programs in New Jersey that would qualify to win gold medals and go on to national competition in Louisville, Kentucky in June. This is one of 5 venues. We have simultaneous events going on around the state, but this is the showcase for the culinary and baking cluster, 5 different competitive areas. Cosmetology and personal service to include nail technology and aesthetics, construction, cabinet making, carpentry, plumbing, air conditioning, heating and ventilation, mobile robotics, and electrical construction to include telecommunications, industrial motors, and residential wiring. So it's a microcosm of really what a vocational high school would look like